Good morning everyone, this is Ferdy and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, we are going to Nagoya to check some items. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a pair of sneakers by 1K subs. So having said that guys, let's get back to the video. Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa Nagoya and before me, there's a release of Nike and Stussy collaboration. As you can see, ayan yung release nila. Hindi ko alam kung makakita pa tayo sa loob once makapasok. Yan yung stuff. So, nakabili na tayo ng Dr. Martens guys and unfortunately, wala yung size ng client natin in store, 28 centimeters or US size 10. But we've managed to pay it and ngayon i-deliver na lang sa bahay natin yung product. So, update ko lang kayo guys regarding that. Baka next video. Ngayon naman, pupunta tayo ng Medicom Toy Store para i-hook yung isa nating client, si Sir Dindo. And ngayon, papahook siya ng Darth Vader. Here in Medicom Toy Store, we have this Astro Boy, mga chrome versions, and Rilakkuma. Ganun pa rin yung mga selections dito. Tapos ito yung pinakabago nilang Bear Bricks. Ngayon, dito naman tayo sa Atmos. Sa Atmos, they have this Air Jordan 1 Low OG. Pinakabagong colorway. Ayan yung price. Napakaganda. Tapos we have here the Air Jordan 1 High Denim. Ang ganda rin ng material, no? So, maganda mag-collect ngayon ng Jordans kasi wala masyadong bumibili. Mura pa sila ngayon. Ayan pala yung price sa retail. Tapos, we have this New Balance Warped Runner with this construction of snake skin material. Nabubulo na naman ako. Tapos, ito naman is yung New Balance M1000 ata to. Or basta 1000 lang. Pinakabago nilang silhouette. Ayan naman yung isang colorway. The silver ones is good. 3M material pala yan. So, ayun lang. That's what they have in Atmos. And nahook na rin natin yung isa nating client, si Sir Dindo, ng kanyang Bear Brick. So, ngayon naman, pasok na tayo ng Bape. In Bape, they've restocked this Japan exclusive items. Ayan, napakarami nilang ni-restock. So, they also have this one, a Rising Bape. Yung Bape Katol, ayan. Tapos may pamaypay sa kabila. Yung ganda ng selection nila dun sa mga blue shirts. Meron dun silang white shirt, ayan. Mga polos nila or shirts. So, ayan yung magandang pattern ng Bape ngayon. Rubberized na naka-stitched, as you can see. Chusen material pala yan, yung tawag dito sa Japan. So, dito naman tayo. Ito naman, chenille material na Bape. Sarap hawakan. Ayan, para siyang carpet. So, that's chenille material. Makapal din yung pagkagawa sa kanya, which is good. Mona Lisa, A Bathing Ape, ASNKA, Apes Shall Never Kill Ape. Tapos yan, recycle. And yung mga shirts nila na mga bago, ang gaganda. They also have the black ones pala. Ayan, parang banda. And yan. Meron din silang shark shirts, yan. Iba-iba kulay with the outline of gold. Shorts. And also this one. Mga shirts sa baba. And ayan ako. Bagong mga caps nila. ABC Camo. And ito yung mga selections nila ng jackets. May fireworks din sila na Bape. Ayan. Summer, since summer season sa Japan. And white colorway. Ang cool. Ito maganda. Parang rose pattern siya. Isa sa mga matatingkad na pieces ng vape. Ayan, Bathing Ape. Metallic yung kanyang logo. Tapos, ayan, mga shark head sa sides. Ito yung shirt, floral. They also have the black one. Tapos, sa baba is they have this skate sta. Ganda. Meron ding kamukha ng Setsubun. Yung Nike Dunk Low Setsubun ng weird. Ito yung mga floral jackets. A Bathing Ape, metallic logo. Ayan. So, that's it. Dito tayo sa side na to. Ito yung summer bag nila. Pag bumili kayo niyan, ayan yung mga included sa loob. Nandiyan din yung retail price para transparent tayo. Laptop case, tote bag. Ayan. Tapos, mini pouch. Ganda ng denim niya, no? Dito sa side na ito is yung Baby Milo. Ayan. College tee, floral. Sa baba yung Bapesta. Tapos, yun yung red pattern. Slides. Tapos, itong napakagandang full zip jacket. Ayan, chenille material. Nabubulal na naman ako. Chenille material, okay? Huwag niyo akong gayahin. Tapos, ayan. Ganda ng floral pattern nila. And the newly issued Bapestas kasi alam nyo na, may lawsuit sila ng Nike. And ito yung accessories nila. Porter wallets, iPhone cases, and itong glow-in-the-dark na tumbler from Kinto. Collaboration with Kinto and Bape. Ayan yung mga freebies. Actually, pina-freebie nila pero nagbibenta na sila ng sticker. Tapos ito, binigay ni Rika San. Yung lace para sa phone. So, yan, lalagay nyo yan sa loob ng case nyo. Tapos, sasabit nyo lang sa leeg. Sobrang tibay yan. I think it was made by Casetify. So, talagang quality. Ganda. That's what they have in Vape. And ngayon naman, babalik na tayo ng Stussy. I think there's no line. Kaya pwede na tayong makapasok agad-agad. So, tignan lang natin kung meron pa silang Nike Stussy collaboration. So, well, that's what they have in Stussy. And right now, papunta tayo sa New Balance. Nahook na rin natin yung isa nating client ng Stussy tote bag. Ayan yung package. And hindi ako makapasok sa Vape para iwan tong package na to since ang daming tao doon na nakapila. Here we are at New Balance and let's see what's inside. So they have something new here. This one. Ayan. Ganda, oh. This is the 990 V6. Ayan yung price. Medyo steep. Ang taas-taas. Tapos we have this colorway. It's like salmon with beige hits. This is the 990 V4. Meron din siya dun sa likod. Same color. They also restock this blue... What's this? The steel navy. 530s. Ayan. And ayan yung mga selection nila ng mga 1906 Rs and 2002 Rs. So they also have the mules up top. As you can see, it's reminiscent of the protection pack that they released in the past years. This is the ladies section, by the way. They have this 610s with the cinch cord on it. Nakita nyo naman, di ba? Ang ganda. They also have this one in black. Meron nito sa outlet, sobrang mura. Pero dito, 15,400 yen. So, minus 10,000 yen pag sa premium outlets tayo bumili. Kaya lang, sobrang layo. We have to get there by car. They also have this 1500s. This is a made in England pair. They also have the 996s. This part is 3M reflective, by the way. And also the heel tab with the embroidered NB logo on it. Alam ko yun lang ang mga dito, reflective materials. Pero ang maganda is yung 990 V6. So, this one, medyo mas mura to kaysa sa Pinas. Sa Pinas kasi maabot siya ng 18,000 pesos. Pero here, wait, they didn't have a price. Pero mga at least 15 to 16K ang retail price niya. Well, yung mga turista, swerte sila since they can go for tax-free. Kaya nakakaingit. Tingnan nyo naman, mapapabudol ka sa daming selections dito sa New Balance. Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa bahay and ito yung mga na-order natin sa kanina. So, this is what we've ordered in Bape. We've reserved this with Rika San. This is a bathing ape, mesh cup. Ayan, green. And this is for Sir Jingbu. Maraming salamat kay Sir Jingbu. Kay Sir Sup Jingbu sa kanyang order and tiwala. And this is for Sir Dindo. Hindi ko na siya mapapakita since isi-ship na natin to mamaya. And ayan siya. Ito yung nakalagay sa loob, yung Darth Vader. So, maraming salamat kay Sir Dindo. So, this 2C8 ball, which came from the online store, in-order to ni Sir Jason. So, ayan siya sa harap. And meron siyang backprint na malaking 8 ball. So, maraming salamat kay Sir Jason sa kanyang order. And also, speaking of Stussy, may nagpa-order sa atin ng Stussy collaboration with Nike. Napakalaking tote bag. Ayan. So, kailangan ko tumayo para dito. This is the logo. Ayan, napakagandang Nike swoosh. And at the side, they have the Stussy logo and the Nike swoosh logo. Ayan, embroidered siya. And the retail price is 19,800. We can still get it naman. And lastly, we have this Nike collaboration with Stussy. Ayan. This is a jacket. So, 19,800 yen din siya. Pareha siya ng price ng tote bag. And ang sizing nito is sized down from your usual Stussy tee. Kasi itong Nike Stussy medyo oversized na boxy fit. So, you have to size down. Medyo weird ng sizing niya. Kala ko parehas lang siya ng sizing din sa regular na tee. I mean, yung regular na Nike na jackets, pero hindi pala. Kailangan kayo mag-size down. So, this is for Ma'am Girly. First time buyer natin sa sa channel na to, and ayun lang. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nag-orders, and this is Ferdy signing out. Bye-bye!